Happy Halloween, folks. Today is Samhain, when the veil is thin. It's that time when summer is officially ending and we start to celebrate the darkness and the quiet that comes. And there's a special moment now that, you know, Halloween has long been my favorite holiday, but now it carries a special meaning. It's a time for really revering the ones that came before and sitting with them in council with them, thanking them, making offerings and songs honoring them, and asking them to be with us in the time that comes. So I invite you, if you have not figured out how to do this for yourself in your own life, if you want to take Halloween beyond the costumes and the parties, and you want to get into it with your ancestors, show up. We've got an event coming up on Saturday at Rudra Mandir in Berkeley, and there's still space. So you can spend all day with me and with Gita Tandika, my co-teacher, and we are going to teach you how to get in touch, get reconnected with your own wise and well ancestors. Have them be guides for you. And even if you have this experience of people who've come before you in your family being harmful people, or people in your ancestry that you know to have caused major harms, there's a way to handle that. And in fact, it must be handled. So this is not about avoiding, it's about showing up with the resources that we need to clear that trauma as best we can, from a spiritual perspective, so we can pull the thorn out and allow true healing to take place in the material world. So that goes hand in hand with actions for cultural and environmental healing and restoration here, in our living world with bodies. But in order to do that, we have to have the backing, the spiritual backing, to move forward, or it just falls flat. So show up Saturday. There's space for you. I welcome you, and let's get to work.